Welcome to Forbes Advisor. Today, I'll show you just how easy it is to register with Wise Bank, the smart choice for managing your money globally. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the link of Wise Bank provided in the description of this video. Then, in the upper right corner of the Wise Bank website, you'll see a button that says Register. Click there to proceed. Step 2. Choose how you want to create your Wise account. You can use your email, Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Step 3. Once you've entered your details, click Next. Step 4. Check your email. A confirmation code will be sent to you. Enter the code, and that's it, you're ready to use Wise Bank with Wise Bank. You'll enjoy low fees, real exchange rates, and fast international transfers. It's the perfect solution for saving money and time, whether you're managing personal finances or running a business. Ready to join? Click the link in the video description to register with Wise Bank today. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and guides. See you in the next video.